Chevy truck fans, we got it for you today. 88 to 98 guys, CK OBS. We're going to put these on Project Stella, but for now, let's get the unboxing going on these hood hinges. Alright, let's cut this box open. Eddie Motorsports, billet hood hinges for 88 to 98 Chevy trucks. Also fits the 92 to 99 Blazer, Jimmy, Suburban, and Tahoes. Got the instructions right here. Everything comes included. Step-by-step process, real simple. Gas, nitrogen struts are included. All the brackets and everything you need. We went ahead and ordered the polished setup, although you can get a variety of Fusioncoat colors, anodized stuff, or bright polish finish, also machine finish. All the brackets are included. Everything you're going to need to install it on your 88 to 98 Chevy truck. Everything comes sealed, clean, and ready to go. Bolt-on application for steel and fiberglass or even carbon fiber hoods. The nitrogen shocks utilize a sealed bearing stainless steel design. Smooth operation. Can't wait to get these things bolted in. It's sold in pairs. Everything's made in the US. You know it's going to fit good, fit perfect because it's from Eddie Motorsports. We have a lot of their products on a lot of our trucks. We recommend them highly. OBS 88 to 98 Chevy trucks. Now you guys have polished hood hinges. Pretty cool stuff. Alright. Good thing for unboxing. Let's go ahead and get these things installed on the truck.